Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today we are going to start with GK. So take out your books. That is chapter number 33. Fill the answers very carefully and in a very neat and clean handwriting. So we are going to discuss in this chapter about Rashtrapati Bhavan. राष्ट्रपति भवन इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, राष्ट्रपति को हम प्रेसिडेंट भी बोलते हैं. राष्ट्रपति भवन और प्रेसिडेंट हाउस इज द ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, located in New Delhi and is one of the most iconic monuments. We are going to discuss here about Rashtrapati Bhavan, consisting of 4 floors and 340 rooms. It has a floor area of 2 lakh square feet. Answer the following question using the help box and find out how much do you know about it. Let's start it. We are going to discuss question number 1. Who designed the President House? Edwin Lutyens. Number 2. When did the construction of the President House begin? कब start हुआ था? 1912 AD में. In how many years was the building completed? It takes 17 years to complete. Okay. Who was the first Indian to occupy the President House? You must have heard about C. Rajagopalachari. He was the last Viceroy of India, Viceroy General of India, and the first Indian to occupy the President House. Write the spelling in a very neat way, that is Rajagopalachari. Okay. Now the next is number 5. For whom was the President House originally built? सबसे पहले किसके लिए originally बना था? That was for Viceroy of India. Number 6. Name the garden which is situated within the President House and is open for public in February every year. It is open only in the month of February every year, and the name of garden is Mughal Gardens. Number 7. The huge dome-like structure on the top of President House is inspired. जो एक बड़ा सा डोम बना है President House पे, वो किससे inspired है? I am again reading. The huge dome-like structure on the top of President House is inspired from which ancient Indian monument? It is inspired by the Sanchi Stoop. It is one of the greatest stone structure in India, built commissioned by Akbar in 3rd century. Now 8th one, how many rooms are there in Rashtrapati Bhavan? There are 340 rooms. Number 9, by what name was the Rashtrapati Bhavan known as prior to India's independence? India की independence के पहले हम इसको किस नाम से जानते थे? इसको हम बोलते थे Viceroy's House. Clear? The last is on the top of which hill? किस hill के top में is the President House situated? That is Raisina Hills. Number 35, world religions. Try to understand it with me. I am going to explain it. You will definitely get the answer by yourself. Okay, there are many different religions in the world. You all know that in a secular country, there are all the religions which is being followed by the Indians or the citizens, each with a different set of beliefs. But every religion of the world has one thing in common. एक चीज़ उनमें सब में common होती है कि वो हमको क्या सिखाते हैं? Maintain love, peace, harmony with one another. That is the common thing in all the religions. We should respect all religions of the world. Write the names of the following religions of the world using the help box. Number 1, we are going to discuss. This religion was founded in 1500 BC by the divine origin of the state. It is followed in India and in Nepal. India और नेपाल दोनों में follow किया जाता है, and also found in Bhutan, Fiji, Guyana, Indonesia, Mauritius, South Africa and Sri Lanka. The Vedas, Bhagavad Gita and the Epics इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं महागाथाएं of महाभारत and रामायण are the holy books. जिस रिलीजन के बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उनकी होली बुक्स कौन सी हैं? महाभारत और रामायण. The followers of this religion worship in temple. और कहाँ पर worship करते हैं वो? टेम्पल में, मंदिर में. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हिंदुइज्म. ओके, HINDUISM. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द फाउंडर ऑफ दिस रिलीजन. जो फाउंडर थे इस रिलीजन के कौन थे? जीसस क्राइस्ट. इट वॉज फाउंडेड इन 4 AD. The Bible is the sacred text. Sacred text means comprehension of a religion books. Religious books का जो comprehension, that is called sacred text. Jerusalem is the sacred place and the church is a place of the worship of this religion. People who are follower of this religion go to worship here, where they go to worship in church, and the name of the religion is Christianity. Fill it in a very neat and clean handwriting, Christianity. Okay. Now the third one is it was founded in 500 BC, followed in China, Hong Kong, South Korea. कहाँ follow किया जाता है? China, Hong Kong, South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam. Annexed in the sacred text. Sacred text means the comprehension of the religious books. And Peking is in China. Is the sacred place of this religion, that is Confucianism. Okay. Number 4, the founder of this religion was Zoroaster, born in Madinah, Iran में in 660 BC. Jain Avesta is the sacred text. इनका sacred text का नाम है Jain Avesta of this religion, and the fire temple is the place of the worship. The place of worship is fire temple. The follower of this religion are mostly in Iran and the northwest India. It is also known as the Parsi religion. इसको हम पारसी religion के नाम से भी जानते हैं. That is Zoroastrianism. Okay. Number 5. This religion was founded by Gautam Buddha in 525 BC. I hope you get the answer. The Tripitaka is the sacred text of this religion. Lumbini, which is situated in Nepal, where he got enlightenment, and Kushinagar, which is in UP, where he attained nirvana, are the sacred places of this religion. This religion is followed in Bhutan, China, Cambodia, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, etc. That is Buddhism. Number 6. It was founded by Mus, born in Egypt in 1300 BC. Talmudist is the sacred text, and the synagogue. Synagogue means a place or assembly place. Synagogue means place where people assembled to worship. That is a place of assembly. Is the place of worship of this religion. It is followed in Israel and United States. Jerusalem is the sacred place of this religion, that is Judaism. Okay. Now number 7. This religion began with the Japanese culture. कहाँ से start हुआ था? Japanese culture से, and developed out of the tradition and ancestor worship. Ancestor means a person who is one remote than your grandparent. It is followed in Japan. जापान में भी follow किया जाता है. There is no specific sacred text for this religion. जैसे कि हमने बाकी religions के बारे में बताया था कि इनके कौन कौन से sacred text हैं, पर इसके बारे में कोई भी specific sacred text नहीं है. The central shrine, holy place of East, and the Yusu-Kunki shrine is in Tokyo, and the holy places of this religion, that is Shintoism. Okay. Number 8. This religion was founded by Guru Nanak in 1500 AD. Guru Granth Sahib is the sacred book of the Nankah Sahib, Pakistan, and the Golden Temple, Amritsar, are the sacred places of this religion. The followers of this religion worship in Gurudwara. कहाँ पर worship करते हैं? गुरुद्वारा में. और ये कहाँ follow किया जाता है? इंडिया में. That is Sikhism. And the last one is number 9. This religion was founded by Prophet Muhammad in between 570 to 632 AD. Born in Makkah, which is situated in Saudi Arabia. It was founded in 622 AD. Quran is the sacred text of the mosque, which is also called masjid, is the place of worship of this religion. Place of worship is masjid, and the sacred text is Quran of this religion, about which we are talking about. It is followed in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, China, Russia, Indonesia, etc. And the answer is Islam. I hope you understood it. Thank you.